In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the daily puzzle on chess.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the puzzle each day and how to approach it confidently so you can sharpen your tactical vision. First, let's get to the right place. On any chess.com page, bring your mouse to the left side menu. Look for the section labeled Puzzles and hover your cursor over it. This opens a small panel with puzzle options. From there, click on Daily Puzzle. That takes you straight to today's curated challenge, which refreshes every day and is a great way to build consistency. Once the board loads, pause for a moment before making a move. Check whose turn it is, take a quick snapshot of the material balance, and notice any immediate threats against your king or key pieces. With that context in mind, shift into a tactical mindset focused on forcing moves. Start by scanning for checks, then captures, and then threats. Checks come first because they limit your opponent's responses. If a checking move exists, consider it carefully, calculating how your opponent can respond and what you gain from the sequence. If no checking move looks promising, examine forcing captures that win material or destroy the opponent's king safety. If neither checks nor captures work, look for threats that create a bigger problem next move, like a fork, pin, or discovered attack. As you calculate, visualize a few moves ahead, and always ask what your opponent's best defense is. If one line looks good but can be refuted by a simple reply, discard it and move on. Many daily puzzles are designed to teach a theme: deflection, decoy, clearance, or double attack. So be open to quiet moves that set up a bigger tactic. Keep an eye out for stalemate tricks and hanging pieces, and count defenders before grabbing material. If multiple moves look similar, choose the one that keeps the initiative and leaves your pieces coordinated. Use the interface to your advantage. Take a breath before your first move, and if you make a mistake, review why the refutation works. The lesson happens in understanding the idea behind the solution, not just reaching the final position. With practice, this process, checks, captures, threats, becomes automatic and speeds up your calculation. That's all there is to it. Hover over puzzles, click Daily Puzzle, and then solve it by methodically prioritizing checks, captures, and threats. Make this a daily habit, and you'll see your tactical awareness and confidence grow one puzzle at a time.